Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the 8th wonder of the world. There were two big corporate announcements made by the company after my previous video on Vikas Proppant. Friends, if you're new here, subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. Hi friends, I would like to share some insight as requested by one of my subscribers. I'm tracking this company, but I want to have a closer look at the company only after the production facilities are set up for manufacturing propants. A big corporate announcement was made by B.D.AGARWAL mentioning about the shareholders meet in Jodhpur on 11th Jan 2020 at the mining site premium grade propant foundation stone ceremony and the visit of the production facility 1. Another corporate announcement for appointment of mine manager was announced on November 23rd. Before we get into this announcement in depth, I want to share some information. I followed the stock when I read about the news of the tie-up announcement with TAFNet. Even when the company was not well known by many of us, the stock price movement has always been same as hitting upper circuits for many days and lower circuits following the next few days. I firmly believed in this niche market opportunity for the propant manufacturing by the company. This even made me set aside the credibility of the promoter with regards to how previously this company and other companies were run. Because this can be a turnaround story for this business, and getting at a lower price when you discover huge value in the product at an early stage would help in investing in a multi-bagger stock. But I never expected the delay in starting the manufacturing of the products. The announcement for laying a foundation on Jan 11th seems to be too improbable, which I'll discuss later on. When the stock is illiquid, when you're owning the stock, you will get very little chance of selling the stock. And when the price of the stock reverses, the new buyers will not be able to buy the stock when the price of the stock is on the upper circuit, which is happening now. The stock price went up from less than rupee 1 to rupees 18 and reversed to rupees 2 rupees 50 paise. Because it is illiquid, making profit out of the stock is difficult. Now it is back again to 5 rupees 84 paise. Investing long-term perspective would depend on the risk-taking ability of the investors. There is so much uncertainty about the company and the developments around it. Now, based on the corporate announcement for Jan 11th, in my opinion, the date given to show samples to TAFNet representative would be a difficult task on Jan 11th without the necessary approvals from the government. Even if the EC is received in the next few days, receiving PC will take time. The company claims they have submitted all the required documents asked by the government officials. Talking about the appointment of the mine manager, which for me at this moment without receiving EC and the acquiring cannot be started. So I cannot say if this is a positive news or not. I say when the company can start the production and the stock price reaches a higher level, investors still will have an opportunity to enter later on. Right now, nothing is sure about the company. I believe any high-risk investor can allot 2 to 5% of the investment for high-risk stocks to make good gains. The rest of 95% of investment into good fundamental companies for long term. Vikas Proppant would not be a good option right now. Putting aside all the news and speculations, the only option is capital preservation. I think the investors can wait till the production starts. The stock market provides an opportunity for making good investments later on. Happy investing. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor.